How to delete game plan list in eFootball. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will show you how you can delete your game plan list in eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have multiple types of game plans, so if I go to the option called game plan over here, if I want to change my game plan, I'll just tap on my logo over here and then I'll go to game plan list, and over here you'll be able to set different types of game plan. It is almost full, so now let's say that I want to delete any of the game plan over here. It is actually very simple to delete it. If you want to delete a game plan, all you need to do is just click on the three dots right next to that game plan over here, and then here you'll find the option to rename or delete it. If you want to delete it, just choose the option called delete game plan, and then you can delete that specific squad. Now players are not going to be deleted, you have to keep that in mind. Only your squad is going to be removed, so you have to create a new formation and then you have to select your manager again if you want to get that squad back. And that's all it takes to delete your game plan list in eFootball. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.